How to change email on your Quotex application. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I am going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your email on Quotex application. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your web browser and simply head over to qxbroker.com, and you will land on the Qutex website. And from there, just make sure to log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, and once you're here on the homepage, on the left side, you will find the navigation bar with options like support, account, and all of that stuff. So you just want to head over to your account section on the left side of your screen. And once you land on your account page, if you scroll down, you will find your nickname, all of your details like your first and last name and your country of residence and everything else. Now, in order to edit your email address, you just have to go ahead and verify your app account. And as you can see right now, my account is not verified, but if you have your account verified and if you have verified your documents, then in that case, you can easily edit your email address here and change it to whichever email you'd like to change. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!